Hello friends, it's Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing tonight? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here for a quick video to share with you my next journal that I'm working on. I've started on it tonight and it is my design team project for ShabbyDabbyDooDah for May, and I'm using her Gosford Green digital kit. So I think this is going to be really neat. I printed it out at 75% on nice bond resume paper. In fact, here's the box right here that I picked up at a thrift store. And so I've been storing my pieces in there, and I've already cut them out. So I was going to show you. I did started on the cover tonight already too. So I used a piece of the one of the pages. Went through all the pages and decided which one I would use on the cover. And I picked out a little book here from my stash to fit the pages. So cute. It is going to be a really cute size. It is 4.5 by 6.5. You can see it in my hand, so kind of like give you an idea of the size. So anyway, piece of pretty paper on the front. There's a lot of like French words and postal related things in here, so I'll show you that in a second. But here you see the pretty flowers and everything. It's kind of neutral colors with some greens, some like whitish colored flowers there. And then here's the back. It's music on the back, like a music picture with flowers, and I put some of this pretty trim on the spine here. And then on the inside I did the same thing, used another pretty paper. You see there, right there it says postcard. That's what I'm talking about when I say postal related things. And there's like receipts in the background. This is one of Tina's really beautiful kind of collage pages here. And then some more of that pretty trim here on the inside. So see, it's the same trim here and here. So really pretty little cover. And I used the original spine on it. I didn't make a bigger spine. I just thought this book was so cute that I wanted just to keep it as it was. And here are, let's see, I have the pages here. I was going to tell you, this is what the pages, you know, that were inside, so you can see what the size of the book was. And also I'm going to tell you the copyright. It's like a little inspirational book. So the cover wasn't anything special, so I thought it would be perfect to cover up with, you know, one of these. But it was already yellow, so it went with this. See the yellows in this paper? It went so perfect with this digital kit. I couldn't believe it, really. Anyway, this little book, the copyright is 1928, so it's a very, you know, old little book here. But it was in great condition. You can see the pages are, you know, a bit brown, but I don't think they're even brittle yet. Let's see, where's one? This is a blank one. This is the index. Let me fold it and see if they're actually brittle. They're not even actually brittle, so I could actually use some of these. I could make some journaling cards and things like that with them too. But just really inspirational quotes and things in here. So a really neat little book. No pictures or anything. So I think I picked it up just for the size of the cover and it was just a pretty little cover, but like I said, nothing special. So perfect for this project. And here's the pages. I printed them back to back, you know, front and back. So let me just kind of flip through here and show you. This is a collage page, so pretty. There's a clock here, you know, French words, just all kind of neat little things. On this side is some birds and butterflies and things. And then there's lots of writing room on some of the pages, like this one. And there's the pretty green. And then there's another pretty green here with another pretty writing space. And then this is a floral page. And then you can see here, this would be good for a center page, maybe in the middle of a signature. I'm going to try to get 2 signatures in here, even though it's a small spine. I think I might be able to get 2 signatures. If I can't, I'll just do 1 big signature, but we'll see how that goes. It is pretty thin now that I'm looking at it, that I've got it together, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. It might just be 1 big signature, which would be fine. So here's another writing page, and then green on the back. And they have this, a lot of the pages have this music kind of in the background too, which is so pretty with the French words and the flowers. Here's a really pretty light kind of collage page. There's a name here and just really neat with the way it's designed. I love the little invoices or kind of like receipts right here. Can you see that? It has writing on it like a ledger. So cool. And then here's like another kind of graph or something. There's like a newspaper in the background. So neat. And some more birds and butterflies. Then here's a lighter page with some French words. There's the word postcard there. More pretty flowers. And then writing page. This one has lines. It looks like an old, like torn page right here. So cool. And it also looks like a ledger page. So really neat. And then here is another, this is the last page here. Really pretty. I love the little frames here. You can put something in there. And then like a title, fabrique, whatever, a French word there. Some French words. So neat. So those are the pages from the kit. Very nice kit. And then it has a bunch of ephemera, which I'm corralling in this resume paper box here. So I've already cut it all out here. See, there's a bunch of stuff here. So like there's little journaling cards. Like I said, I printed them out 75%. So some of them are pretty tiny. But like this is a little label. So cute. Postcards. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this says postcard on it. Isn't that cute? So, and here's a little, like a oval here with some French words. Let me hold it up close so you can see how cute that is. Really neat. And let me just flip through here so I don't take forever. And I'll show you up close some that I think you might want to see. Here's a really neat one. Sorry about any shadows. It's night, so I've got 2 lights here, but still probably getting some shadows. This is a really cool one here. Isn't that neat? So little, I mean, I cut all these out. I printed them on file folder. That works out so well. Where I print the like label, if there's labels or drawing cards, anything like this, I print them on file folder. So cute. And here's a piece of music here, like a music page. And this one's neat with the French words and a little frame. This one's neat. They're all neat, right? Let's see, so the flowers like this, these I print on paper, like the resume paper that I printed the pages on. Here's a little lady here. I put these on paper so that I can glue them down easily into like decorations, embellishments, collages. Here is a watering little bowl and matching pitcher. And this one I printed on paper. Here's some like perfume bottles. Aren't these beautiful? Aren't they adorable? So cute. Here, this one I fussy cut around the flowers. So pretty, and that's on paper. So here's, let's see, this one's on cardstock or file folder. And let me just here's a little clock. Just so many cute things. I know you don't want to see everyone, but just wanted to give you an idea of what all is in this kit because there's so much ephemera here. And I hope to, you know, use it all in one way or the other. Here's a pretty envelope that I can fold up. I print the envelopes on paper so I can fold them up. And, you know, I mean, envelopes are paper, so that's why I print them on paper, so they look like a real, you know, I mean, you can make a real envelope out of them. Here's some more little ladies. Aren't they adorable? I fussy cut these little girls out. They're not little girls, they're ladies, elegant ladies. And here, this picture was in there. Very nice. I love that. I love anything like old pictures like that. Some more. This one's on paper. This one's on cardstock. Here's some little flowers. I think that's from a different kit though. They got in here by mistake, but I'll still use it. So just here's here's another lady, elegant lady, a pretty, you know, bird. Here's a pretty plant. This is really neat, like Edith Holden-esque there. Music, and I think you get the idea. Lots and lots of ephemera here. Lots of little ladies, that I cut out, and here's all the, see all these little pieces right here? These are all the little flowers and clocks and butterflies and things that I get to use to decorate. Here's some more. There's just tons here. That's a label, but here's all the little flowers. I had a lot of fun cutting these out, but I'll have even more fun when I get to use them. But that is a pile of flowers and clocks and butterflies. I always challenge myself to try to use every piece. This is a neat little thing here. Had a little finger tuck, spot in it. And this is, oh, I love this here, the butterfly card. So yeah, this is going to be my next project, and I can't wait to add some more pages in and just have fun getting this together. So I will be back with my progress. And so, like, here's the pages so far. We've got how many papers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, and let's see how much room that takes up, because I said maybe 2 signatures, but I think it's going to be a 1 signature book, if you can see that already. So I'm thinking I'll add 10 more pages or papers. Then when you fold them in half, I know you all, if you've made journals before, but if you haven't, what you do is fold them in half. Then you double your pages, right? 20 pages. If you have 20 papers, you fold them in half, you have 40 pages. And then if you count fronts and back, so you have 80 pages. Yep, just simple math. So I'll be cutting these down a little bit and adding 10 more papers, and then decorating and adding pockets and tuck spots and stuff and having all that fun. So I'll be back with my progress, but again, here I just wanted to show you the cover. How pretty. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. So see you next time. Thanks for watching tonight, and happy crafting.